because this does not look like the path I came in on. But it's got a marker, so I'll take it. Besides, I know the general direction of where I need to go anyway, so I won't be ever too stranded. You know, I know one direction's a parking lot, another direction is a road next to a river. I think I'll be okay either way. Again, as I said before, I'm not out in the middle of nowhere. So you can even hear a little airplane. Oh, buggy. Holy moly. See that? See the tarantula? Wow. I have never seen a tarantula out in the wild before. Probably shouldn't have been poking it, but oh well. I didn't torture it. Oh, looks like here's the official trailhead after all. See ya.